Hi guys, we will show you how to replace the front turn signal bulbs in Toyota Camry. You will need to open the hood and the bulb can be accessed from the top. This is the connector right here. All you guys have to do is turn it counterclockwise and you'll be able to pull the bulb out. Now we'll simply need to pull it out, and also guys, it's a good idea to use gloves when you replace light bulbs. It may be a bit tight, but just wiggle it back and forth and it will come out. The size of the bulb is 7444 NA. Insert the new bulb same way, and now we'll have to find the opening for the bulb, and now you guys have to turn it clockwise. On the right side the idea will be the same. Again, you have to locate the bulb manually and turn it counterclockwise, and again guys, here it is. Pull it out and insert the new one. Insert the bulb, make sure it's positioned properly and turn clockwise. Both our turn signal bulbs are now working properly. Our replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.